So to recap of what just happened this morning, there was an issue with one of the digital signs in Ontario with one of the hockey arenas, correct?
Yep.
So this is one of the very first times that a ticket has been resolved by the team in the Philippines with no intervention on my part. Think about that, Harvey.
Mm-hmm.
I was busy in another meeting and you communicated succinctly with the customer. You resolved the issue. The issue wasn't a complicated one. You saw it was online. It just was displaying black for whatever reason. And you sent it a device reboot. Now it's back up and running just fine, right?
Yep.
Job well done, my friend. Job well done. Okay. All of this infrastructure, really the core of it is to have it to the point where it is possible for me to go into other meetings and not be the trouble ticket guy.
Yep.
So you rocked it out. Seriously. It's fantastic. Well done. Agreed, everybody? Iris, Rolly?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a fantastic job. Well done. My feedback on it would be the one last thing to do is the ticket itself. Try going into the ticket, okay? And there is a ticket resolution section that we don't really use right now that it allows you to just briefly explain how you resolve the issue, okay?
Yep.
So can you do that? And can you also email the owner of that ad network and let them know what you did to resolve it and that you confirmed it was resolved with the location with Roy? Okay.
Yep.
That's a 2 thumbs up, 10 stars, awesome, job well done, fantastic. Seriously, that's a great way to start 2024. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I want you to stop this recording, Rolly. I want you to place it right into ENS Corporate, into our, like YouTube and social media, right? ARV deserves all the recognition for thinking ahead, trying to resolve this, getting it all the way through to where it's fixed by the client, and he communicated with the location to confirm that everything's running. Like you nailed it, Harvey.
Mm-hmm.
Well, totally nailed it.